students, do you want to get into the top engineering colleges in Karnataka? If yes, then you might be knowing that one of the important exams for this is your KCET exam, which has three important subjects, that is physics, chemistry and maths. Now, do you want to hit that perfect 60 out of 60 in your KCET Chemistry 2025 examination? If yes, then get ready. I have something really exciting and interesting for you. So let me introduce you to our brand new series, that is 60 out of 60 in KCET Chemistry 2025. In this series, we are going to discuss every concept in detail. We are going to solve all the PYQs and we are going to practice a lot of questions which will help you to boost your confidence and make you ready for the examination. Now, a very unique and the special feature of this series will be that I will be guiding you every day. I'll be telling you what chapters you need to study, which topics you need to revise, which questions you need to solve and how many questions you need to solve, so that you can prepare for this exam effectively, strategically and consistently, right? So yes, now in this video, if you are an aspirant of KCET 2025 and want to get a very good rank and want to score 60 out of 60 in your KCET chemistry examination, then please watch this complete video where I am going to explain you everything about this series. I'll be telling you like how are we going to approach, what is our monthly plan, what are the outcomes, when will be the test conducted, everything I'll tell you in detail. Right now, here are two important things that you must remember, that this series is going to start from 2nd September 2024 and the chemistry classes will be at 6 p.m. Okay, so all those who are aspiring to be a topper in KCET, please be ready at 6 p.m. every day to take your chemistry classes. Okay, so now one small request from my side, that is please join our WhatsApp channel. The link of the WhatsApp channel will be there in the description section. Now, why is this important? Whatever classes I am taking, its notes will be available in our WhatsApp channel. The question paper that will be giving you for the test will be available in our WhatsApp channel. The solutions, notes, everything you can access from our WhatsApp channel. Okay, so please join our WhatsApp channel so that you don't miss out on any important information. Okay, so yes, now let's get started and understand this series in detail. So the first of all, let me tell you that how many days we have exactly for this examination. Now, in 2024, okay, the KCET exam was conducted on April 18th and April 19th. Now, assuming that in 2025 also it will be conducted around the same time, so we can say like from September to March 2025, we have nearly 7 months. Okay, so roughly I can say we have 200 days for this preparation. Okay, now let us see how can we divide this 200 days. See, in this 200 days, we will be dividing in two parts, 120 days and 80 days. Okay. Now, in this 120 days, what I will be doing is, we will be covering the entire syllabus. Okay. So, this consists of your PU1 and PU2 syllabus, and we'll also be doing the PYQs. So, if you see 120 days, that means 4 months, right? So I can say from September to December. By this 4 months, we would have completed the entire syllabus and we would have also done PYQs and we would have also practiced a lot of questions. Okay. Now the next 80 days that will be left with us, with what we will be doing with that. So here we will be preparing for our board exam. Right? Why? Because you know, in KCET 50% weightage has also come from your board exam. So we cannot ignore the board exam. So we'll also be preparing the board examination. Simultaneously, we'll be doing revision and we'll be writing mock tests. So this is for your Jan, February, March and April. Okay. So April up to exam date. Okay. So here and there some number of days might be missing. So I have just taken a rough 200 days. You might have so many holidays, vacations, something is there. So just the most effective preparation days is for 200 days. So we'll be completing the entire syllabus, we'll be doing revision, we'll be writing mock test, everything within 200 days. Okay. So yes, these days if you study honestly, if you do hard work, you can do study with me every day, then definitely you can get very good marks in your KCET chemistry examination. Okay. Now suppose for cracking any particular examination, what is the most important things that you must follow? What are the components to crack a exam? So the first one is that you should have right study materials. Second, you should solve previous year questions, because this tells you like what type and what level of questions are asked in the exam from a particular chapter or a topic. Next, coming to mock test, you need to write the mock test so that you can understand your level of preparation, how much you have prepared, how much you have not prepared, where you exactly stand today, right? Now the fourth important component which is required for every student that I felt is guidance. Somebody should be there with these students to guide them that what they need to study, how they need to study, what questions they need to solve, right? So this is what I am going to provide in this series explicitly, that is guidance. Now I'll tell you how am I going to guide you. Okay. So first of all, in this guidance there are three components. First is daily short videos. I'll explaining each component in detail. Second is concept videos. And third is a weekly test series. Okay. Now see, the first component is your short video. In short video, every day I'll be posting a short video where I'll be telling you which 2 to 3 topics are there that you need to study today. Okay. So like today I'll be telling you study solutions chapter, colligative properties, for example. Okay. And I'll be assigning you 5 PYQs from these topics. Okay. So if you are someone who have already done these topics or you're thorough with it, you can solve these PYQs and you can boost yourself. You can think happy about yourself that okay, solutions chapter, colligative properties, I am done with these topics. Now, ma'am, what if we don't know the answers? We don't know these concepts. We have doubt in that. So for that, I have the next part, the next component, that is, okay, first let us understand how will this day wise, every day giving you some task, PYQs, how will it exactly help you to achieve your goal? First one, it will be structured learning. Okay, so every day I know like which chapter is more weightage, from where questions have been asked like repeatedly. So you will be studying these chapters in a structured way. You will not be studying or you will not be giving more importance to those topics which are less relevant, right? So it will be a structured learning. Second one, consistency. Every day we are preparing, every day step by step we are growing with small amounts we are preparing every day, so that you do not have a hectic schedule, but yes, you are working smartly. Next, time management. So every day you have to devote 1 hour. Okay, so with this we can manage time for all the 3 subjects. Okay, you cannot be like doing good in only one subject. So effective time management you can do. In that particular time you know that what exactly you need to study, so you will not waste your time thinking what to study, how to do questions. So everything will be provided, topic list will be provided, questions will be provided, read the topics. If you have already read, then directly do the questions, then that is over. So you can manage your time effectively. Next, coming to focused revision. So I'll also be telling you which topics you need to revise, you need to study. So your revision also is not like today you are revising one chapter, tomorrow you are revising some other chapter. There is no structure in that. So we will do focused revision. Okay. Next, coming to boost confidence. That is very important. You know, mindset is very important to get one exam, to crack one exam, right? So when every day you are working, when you are able to solve the PYQs, you will be very confident about your own preparation. You will be knowing, okay, solutions chapter I have done, PYQs ma'am has given, I was able to solve. So yes, this chapter is somewhat done for me, right? So that is how you will be more confident from today till the date of the exam. Next, coming to reduce procrastination. So because every day you will be working, 2 to 3 topics will be given, small topics, 5 PYQs. So that is something that can be achieved in one single day by spending just 1 hour. So you will be less probable to procrastinate. You have to think that, okay, only 1 hour, let me complete today's task today. Okay, there will be no backlogs here. Okay, now coming to next one. tailored support. So every day I will be behind you, I will be supporting you, I will be guiding you, and I will be helping you to get your goals. Okay, so yes, I'll be continuously from today till the date of the exam. I am there every day with you. Okay, so behind you, behind your success, I will be there, so that you can get your dream college, your dream seat. Okay, next, building discipline. So yes, we are doing small step every day in a disciplined manner. There is no today you are studying, tomorrow you are not. It will not happen, because these are done in small chunks. Okay, and the last one, holistic preparation. So we will prepare holistically. We'll cover everything that is required to crack exam. We'll cover the concepts, we'll cover the PYQs, we'll cover the practice questions, we'll write mock tests, everything in a structured way, organized way, so that we don't miss out on anything. Okay, okay. So now the second component is concept videos, right? I told you that on a daily basis I'll giving you a short video where I'll be telling you 2 to 3 topics that you need to prepare in 5 PYQs. If you have done that chapter in your college or in your school, in your coaching center, you are clear with that, just solve the questions, and then you are okay, you are like confident on that topic. Now what about those students who are like not able to solve these questions? So for them also I will be preparing a detailed lecture videos. Every day there will be one lecture video about the concepts. So suppose, for example, today I have given you the topic for example, colligative property. Okay, so, and I have given you 5 questions from here. So I will be having a detailed explanation video where I would have explained every concepts, and I will also be solving these 5 PYQs that I have given you here in the short videos, right? So those students who have done, they can check the solutions. Those students who did not understood, they can understand the concept, and then they can do the questions. Apart from this, for extra practice, we will also be doing 5 to 6 extra questions, so that not only PYQs, but we can understand some other concepts also, like some other questions also we need to practice. Okay, so you see how are we going? We are understanding the concepts, we are solving the PYQs, and then we are solving some extra questions, right? Okay, now coming to the third component, which is very important. Studying and solving PYQs is not enough. We need to test ourselves every time. How much we have prepared, how much we are standing, like where is our level of preparation, right? That is also very important. So for that, we will be playing a test series. Okay, the name is very interesting. You can see KCET Premier League. Okay, so here I'll write it as KPL. Okay, so every week we will playing a match, that is KPL. Here what will happen, that is on every Sunday. Okay, which day we'll be playing it? Every Sunday. So now every Sunday there will be a test of 30 questions. Now these 30 questions, what is the portion? Suppose Monday to Saturday, okay, we prepared some topics. Suppose we prepared solutions chapter and we prepared electrochemistry chapter. Okay, for example, then on Sunday we'll write a small test of 30 questions from these topics, right? So now what will happen? You have already solved the PYQs, you have already solved some extra questions, you would have revised the concept. Now let us give a test and see that whether we have actually understood the concepts or not, right? So that is how we can test ourselves. So every Sunday there will be test. Topics we discussed in that week will be the syllabus, and the solutions of this will be given to you by Sunday evening. Okay, so Sunday evening you will be getting the solutions, so you can check that out of 30 what is your level of score. So if you are getting a decent score, you are very confident that these 2 chapters are done. If you are getting average score, you can have some scope of improvement. Now if you are getting very poor scores, you need to work hard again, you need to watch these videos again and build your concepts again. Okay, so that is how we did not wait for the end of the time to understand what is our strength and weakness. While doing the preparation only, we will be making each and every topic our strength. Okay, okay, now coming to the next one, highlights. Okay, Now what are the different things that you need to remember about this particular series? So this will be a 120-day challenge, because I told you in 120 days we are going to cover the entire syllabus, we are going to cover the PYQs, and we are going to practice some questions, right? So every day, 120 days, you have to be consistent with me, you have to work hard with me, you have to be with me, so that we can assure a very good rank for you in the KCET examination. Now here the entire syllabus of PU1 and PU2 will be completed in 120 days. There will be regular revision videos also. It is not that like every time only studying. In between we'll also have some regular revision videos, a marathon series of all organic reactions, something like that we'll be having in this 120 days also. Then first we'll cover PU2 topics, because you know this is of high weightage, right? Most of the questions are asked from 60%, or you can say almost 60 to 80% questions are asked from PU2. So we'll first cover the PU2 topics. Then we'll also be doing weightage analysis of every chapter. Then this time is very, very important. Classes will be at 6 p.m. Okay. So every day, those who want to get this 60 out of 60, please be ready at 6 p.m. with your notebooks and pen, so that you can study with me. Okay. Next, after the syllabus is completed, it's not that okay, syllabus is completed, now you study by your own, nothing like that. I'll still be there with you for your revisions and mock test. And next, course starts from 2nd September 2024. Okay, so 2nd September 2024, please mark this date. From this day we are going to start our course or series, I can say. Okay. Next, coming to month-wise plan. So in September month, which chapters we are going to do? We are going to study solutions chapter, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, DNF block, and coordination compounds. Okay. Next, coming to October month. So here I have haloalkanes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, amines and biomolecules. So with the entire organic chemistry, we will be completing it in the month of October. Okay. Now coming to November, here we will be covering PU1 chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry, structure of atom, classification of elements, chemical bonding and thermodynamics. Okay. And next we have in the last month, that is December, we will be covering equilibrium, organic concepts, chemistry, some basic principles and techniques, hydrocarbons and redox reaction. Okay. So this is the month-wise plan. Okay. And every chapter will have some concept videos, PYQs and a test, so that you can complete each chapter in a holistic way. Okay. Okay. Now coming to Jan and February, we have completed our syllabus by December. In January and February, we'll be mostly focusing on our board preparation. Okay, because you know boards are also important. 50% weightage is there for board marks, so we will be focusing on boards, and side by side we'll doing some KCET small revision also we'll be doing. And next, coming to March and April, the most crucial time for the exam. So here we'll be studying, we'll be doing mock test chapter wise, and also we'll be writing full length mock test. Okay, and then also we'll be doing some KCET revision. Okay, revision will be there and your mock test will be there in the month of March and April. Okay. Now coming to what you have to do right now. What is your, I have told you what I'll be doing, right? Everything I have explained in detail. Now what has to be your call? So please listen this one, very, very important. First, you need to follow the instructions. You need to trust me that if you follow this channel, follow this series, then definitely you can score well, that I can assure you, and you need to trust me on this, and you need to follow all my instructions sincerely. Okay. Next, coming to stay consistent. Whichever day I am posting some, you have to study this topic, you have to do these questions, please remember to finish that. Okay, like you have your daily routine, you are eating every day, you are doing all your daily course, remember to finish this task also daily consistently. Okay, so remember, those students who are consistent are the ones who succeed in the exams, right? Okay, next, you have to work really hard. It is not an easy thing. Okay, so you need to work hard every day with me. Next, you have to stay motivated. Next, you should not procrastinate any of this task. Today 5 questions means it has to be solved today only. Before 12 am at night, midnight, those 5 questions should be done. Okay, that should be the level of your I will say commitment to this series. Okay, fine. So yes, now all the very best for your KCET 2025 examination. And remember, we are together for this series. I'll be there with you for till the exam date. So you need to be with me if you want to score really good in this examination. Okay. So students, are you ready to master chemistry and secure a seat in your dream college? If yes, then please subscribe the channel and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on any important episode of this series, right? So yes, let us make chemistry your strongest subject together and see you very soon on the first episode of this series. Thank you and all the very best for your KCET 2025 examination.